Hi, I'm Prashant Jain, co-founder and promoter of Pathway Schools. We have 5 schools in Delhi NCR. All our campuses are environment friendly and all of them are LEED Platinum certified by USGBC. In the year 2010, we were building 2 new schools for Pathways, one at Gurgaon and one at Noida. We were planning to make both these schools as environmental friendly campuses, which are low on energy requirements. For that, we required windows which could solve this purpose of ours. So we went out scouting for windows which are made of uPVC, because these windows are thermally insulated and they don't let the heat travel inside. We went around and visited a couple of factories, and that's when we visited the factory of Window Magic. We met both Manjeet ji and Manish ji, and they both apprised us about their products, the technology which they had sourced from Germany, the raw materials which they were sourcing from Germany, and we were quite convinced that though this is a new setup which is just 8 years old, but we had the confidence that yes, they can fulfill our requirements. So taking that leap of faith, we went ahead and ordered windows for both these schools with Window Magic. They did a good job. They did timely deliveries of good quality materials. It was a fast-paced project because we were building these 2 schools in just a period of 8 to 10 months, and they were able to deliver and install all the windows within this period of time for a total area of about, both schools combined together, around 7 lakh square feet. It's been 12 years rather, that we have been using these windows. I don't recall even a single call that has gone to Window Magic in terms of any requirements for the existing windows. Of course, there have been calls gone for further requirements, but no escalation for any product defect to Windows Magic. We are very, very satisfied, and they've done a beautiful job of these windows, and what I see, they're here for life. Thank you.